Fort Bend County libraries always have a number of classes available for patrons to improve their skills. In this instance, cooking tips, presented by professional chef Ellen Schwartz.
We are having a cooking lesson in a library where we have no stove or anything or burners, but we're going to make do. We're going to pretend some of it. But I'm trying to get the people out of the kitchen fast because that's what most of my customers want to do. They don't really want to spend, like I like to spend a long time making a stew or a soup and, you know, building flavors and all. But today people, you know, have very busy lives and they want to get out of there fast. So that is the lesson today, is to stop taking takeout so much and try to make some meals at home that won't take you too long to do. I go to people's homes and I teach all around the city in their kitchens, or they come to my kitchen, and when I open the refrigerator, sometimes there's no food, and I mean there's just boxes of things. I don't know what those are, and it makes me kind of sad. Also, a lot of stores, when you go in now, grocery stores, the section of pre-packaged produce is getting larger and larger, and the ability to pick out your own avocados and push on them and have two or one is kind of leaving us. If you buy a chicken, for instance, and you know all the ways to cook a chicken, then I'm going to also go over that fast. But you'll also know how to flavor it with some magical topping that's going to go on it, or a drizzle, or a brine, or something else. So basically you need to, let's see, cooking a chicken, you could broil it, you could bake it, you could sear it, smoke it, grill it, you know, poach it, steam it, and that would apply to fish as well, or any protein really, is how, you know, you go to the store and you have your little bag or whatever you have, and depending on how many people are in the family. I don't know my audience tonight, so I don't really know what I'm going to have. I assume it's going to be a mixture of single people and, you know, people with families, and people who've already done all this and are tired of it and you know, want something else. So I don't know my audience, but I'm just saying that if you just go grab a chicken at the store, you should, in your mind, be thinking of all the different ways that you could make it. And tonight I'm going to explain how to put something on it or in it to make it fast and to produce the most flavor we can in the shortest amount of time. Like one day, I hadn't ever been to Trader Joe's before, and it was kind of in the beginning when it was making its big thing here. And this girl was in the store, a young girl, and she was screaming, "I got the last one, I got the last one!" And she was so excited, and I ran over to see what it was, and it was a frozen box of spanakopita. It was the last one, and she was so excited. But that's something that I teach people to make on their own from scratch with a delicious filling, and you know, it sort of made me sad. But at the same time, I don't want to be too judgy because I understand that people are trying to be fast and out fast too, you know. So I want them to also appreciate the ability to do it yourself in a chef way that makes it really delicious, you know.
For Stafford CSI, this is Randall Williams.